What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where we cover all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. Could be meme coins, altcoins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. This video we're going to be checking out Fishmeme. Now I saw it, right, and I was like, okay, sitting at, my gosh, man, sitting at 823k market cap, $1.47 million in 24-hour volume, right? Liquidity locked for 5 months. We need them liquidity extensions. Lock the liquidity for 100 years, guys. But I saw it, and then I was going through the website, and then I saw some partners, and I was like, is this legit? If those are the partners of the project, I'm gonna have to cover it on the channel, right? Now, this is the thing, right? A lot of meme coins have launched. A lot of meme coins always launch on DEX tools and Ethereum, you know, and might as well just cover them on the channel, just like if I cover, you know, altcoins as well. Who's to say they don't explode and be like the next Pepe, the next, you know, like in recent terms, the next Pepe, right? The next Shiba, you name it, right? So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna dive into it. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. The better with Web 3.0 Memefi platform, only place you can fish whale memes, right? So right here they have tweets. Fishmeme video creation competition. Create your own video, whole Fishmeme, and send under this tweet. This video is rewarded for 200 UST thanks to Fort Wento. Fish is also creating a meme reward platform. And look at the feature of Fishmeme. Fishmeme is an innovative Memefi platform dedicated to providing a range of powerful features and tools for meme creators and enthusiasts, right? When it comes to meme coins in this space, it's all about fun. It's all about making memes. It's all about, you know, spreading, you know, just comedy, right? This is why Pepe exploded so much, because that was a fundamental meme coin that was being backed by a lot of milady NFT holders who are, you know, they post memes consistently, like all the time. They're meme creators, right? And they help to make the crypto space fun. When there's this, you know, hype or awareness or controversy around the crypto space, that's when we see, you know, projects do very well. Take a look at Ben.eth, right? Everyone is talking about Ben.eth and what he's doing, and because of all of that traction he's gathered, he's like, you know, a billionaire now off of all the projects that he's launched, and people keep supporting him because of all the awareness and traction he has, right? So that's what the meme coin space is all about: awareness, hype, and you know, if Fishmeme could pull it off, you know, future is bright for the project, because they're focusing on building out a Memefi ecosystem. On Fishmeme, users create, share, trade, and earn profits from their original memes. Here are some key features of Fishmeme staking. Users can stake their tokens on the platform, earning more rewards. Launchpad, creators and projects launch their tokens on Fishmeme's Launchpad. NFT marketplace. On Fishmeme, memes can be issued as unique tradable NFT tokens. Creator ownership. Creators have ownership of their original works on the Fishmeme platform. Community engagement. The robust community features on Fishmeme encourages users to interact and collaborate. Participants can not only vote and comment on their favorite memes, but also take part in the platform's decision making. We have NFTs right here as well, and this is the thing, right? Like, even with NFTs, like the Ethereum Uniswap space, you know, like miladies, like, you know, Nakamigos, that space is one of the driving factors of like meme coins exploding. So, you know, I wouldn't rule out some upside for Fishmeme. Meme community redefined trading, tipping, rewards, economy. I have the tokenomics right here. 1% buy and sell tax. They had a pre-sale recently. LPs locked. LP 26%. CX listing 5%. They have an airdrop event as well. NFT memes, proof of digital ownership, best meme creators are well known and popular, meme marketplace. Like, they're focusing on the meme creators for this project. You know, the top meme creators get rewarded. Top creators from day one. Look at this. Grumpy Cat, Smudge. We're the first platform the world to pay memes. We've already signed intention letters with 2 huge European meme communities within around 3 million unique users per month and over 1 billion page views generated. We are bringing their very best to creators to Fishmeme. Memes are incredibly viral with a strong start. Fishmeme will keep attracting more and more quality and community members, an endless stream of awesome content for you to explore. And then they have their roadmap. But what really caught my eye is the partnerships. Okay, Syscoin Syscoin being a partner. I don't know, like, Fishmeme team, y'all gotta send me the documentation, man, like, to show me this is legit. Because Syscoin being a partner, Phantom Hub, One Block Labs, Gemini, Crypto Go Community, BitTC, Probit, these partners right here, I was like, oh, I'm gonna check out the project, okay? I'm gonna check it out on the channel. Syscoin, man, Syscoin, you know, Wendy O bullish on Syscoin, what's his name, Hotep Jesus bullish on Syscoin, and Syscoin being a partner, it piqued my interest, man. I was like, I gotta check it out. 41.4k followers on Twitter, active community, creating their memes. They are out there, you know. You know, it's out there, man. It is out there. You know, recently just launched as well, so we'll see what happens with the project, man. Sitting at just under 800k market cap. Think they had a pre-sale, so maybe the pre-salers get out, or maybe people keep holding. We'll see what happens. I just wanted to cover the project because of the partnerships that I saw, man. I was like, oh, let's check it out. But yeah, the potential for this, just like any other project, could be huge, or the opposite could happen. Project could fail. I'm just being realistic, guys, unbiased. But from what I see, it looks good. But that doesn't mean, you know, the project will be successful, right? So if you're bullish on Fishmeme, let me get your thoughts in the comment section down below. That's so funny. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. Let me know what other projects I should check out, and also become a Patreon. Support the channel, man. Let me show you guys, man. We got different tiers for the Patreon. $10 tier, you could get access to early content, exclusive content, access to the private Discord. I'll do my best. We could do our best to come together as a hive mind to find great projects, you know, and, you know, absolutely crush it in the space. But yeah, again, if you hold Fishmeme, like, subscribe, share the video, get it out there, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.